Hello friends, welcome to 5 Best Tools Hub. A stereo trinocular microscope is an advanced optical instrument designed for detailed examination and analysis of three-dimensional objects. Unlike traditional microscopes that offer a flat two-dimensional view, stereo microscopes provide a dual optical path, enabling users to perceive depth and see objects in a more lifelike three-dimensional form. The trinocular aspect refers to the third optical port, which allows for the attachment of a camera, making it ideal for capturing images or recording videos of specimens during observation. This feature is especially useful in various fields such as biology, materials science, electronics, and quality control, where precise imaging and documentation are essential. Whether for professional research, industrial inspection, or educational purposes, stereo trinocular microscopes offer a powerful blend of magnification, clarity, and versatility. Number 1. RF4 RF7050 TVPROF 109 Stereo Trinocular Microscope. The RF4 RF7050 TVPROF 109 Stereo Trinocular Microscope is a versatile and well-crafted tool that caters to professionals and hobbyists who demand precision and clarity in their work. With its robust build and thoughtful design, this microscope offers a high level of functionality and user comfort. The RF4 RF7050 TVPROF 109 Stereo Trinocular Microscope is a highly functional and reliable instrument. Its combination of accurate magnification control, ergonomic design, and high-definition optics makes it an excellent choice for users who need a versatile and durable microscope. Whether for professional use in a laboratory or detailed work in the field, this microscope delivers quality and performance. Number 2. Kailiwei 7050T Stereo Trinocular Microscope. The Kailiwei 7050T Stereo Trinocular Microscope is a versatile and high-performance tool designed for professionals in fields such as mobile phone repair, PCB soldering, jewelry inspection, and scientific research. This microscope stands out with its advanced features and robust build, making it a reliable choice for both industrial and laboratory applications. The Kailiwei 7050T Stereo Trinocular Microscope is a powerful and versatile tool that offers exceptional performance across a range of professional applications. Its robust build, advanced optical features, and digital integration make it a valuable investment for anyone in need of a reliable and high-quality microscope. Whether you're working in mobile phone repair, scientific research, or jewelry inspection, this microscope delivers the precision and clarity needed to perform at the highest level. Number 3. High Cloud 3.5 to 200x Stereo Trinocular Microscope. The High Cloud 3.5 to 200x Stereo Trinocular Microscope is an impressive tool designed for professionals in fields like electronics repair, jewelry observation, and detailed soldering work. This microscope offers versatility and precision, making it a valuable addition to any technical workspace. The High Cloud 3.5 to 200x Stereo Trinocular Microscope is a robust and versatile tool for professionals who need high magnification and precise observation. Its solid build, excellent optical performance, and advanced camera features make it a valuable investment for anyone involved in intricate repair work or detailed inspections. While it may be on the higher end of the price spectrum, the features and build quality justify the cost, making it a recommended purchase for serious users. Number 4. High Cloud 3.5x 90x Stereo Trinocular Microscope. The High Cloud 3.5x 90x Stereo Trinocular Microscope is a versatile tool designed for precision tasks such as PCB soldering, phone repair, and detailed inspection work. Its impressive range of features makes it a solid choice for both professionals and hobbyists who require a reliable and clear view of their work. The High Cloud 3.5x 90x Stereo Trinocular Microscope is a robust and versatile tool that delivers on its promises. With its high-definition optics, sturdy build, and effective illumination, it is an excellent choice for professionals involved in detailed and precision work. Whether you're working on PCB soldering, phone repair, or other intricate tasks, this microscope will provide the clarity and flexibility needed to get the job done efficiently. Number 5. RF4 RF7050 TV Stereo Trinocular Microscope. The High Cloud 3.5 to 200x Stereo Trinocular Microscope is an impressive piece of equipment designed for professionals who demand precision and clarity in their work. Whether you're involved in electronics repair, scientific research, or detailed inspection tasks, this microscope offers the versatility and performance needed to meet a wide range of automotive applications. The high cloud 3.5 to 200x stereo trinocular microscope is a top-tier choice for professionals who need reliable, high-performance optical equipment. Its versatile magnification range, trinocular head, and high-quality optics make it an excellent tool for detailed work. Whether you're repairing delicate electronics, conducting scientific research, or inspecting materials, this microscope is built to deliver the precision and clarity required. Many thanks for watching this video.